Good boy. There you go, Hurley. Go get it. Go get it, Hurley. Hurry. Hurry. Go get it, Hurley.
Hurley.
Go get Hurley. Go get Hurley. Go get him.
You. She's the one that gets in that twice. She's gotten in a fight with this one.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, you gonna come in?
Just started to snarl there, and I'm like, oh, no, I'm petting you.
Come on, Reggie, you'll feel good.
Hey, Reggie. How you doing there, Papa? Be nice, Beauty. Play nice.
Beauty.
Be nice.
Oh, he's got two in his mouth.
That's really.
Yes. He's got two. Get him the
Good
two.
boy.
Hurley, what do you have there? You got both of them.
Good boy.
You got both of them in there.
Good boy. How old are you?
He's gonna go bury them. He's like so proud.
No, he'll walk around with them first. Make sure no one else gets them.
Hurley, you gonna share the balls? Good boy.
Hey. Beauty, come here.
Go get it, Hurley.
Beauty, come here.
You wanna grab the ball?
Hey, come here. Sit. You need to behave your little
Good
self,
boy.
or you're gonna go home.
Okay, who's gonna get it? Who's gonna get it? Hurley?
Growling.
Hurley?
Good girl.
Hurley. Hey, Hurley.
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 Hey.
He's ready. Should we push him down the slide?
No.
It'll be cute.
That's what she's growling about.
What?
The leash was laying there on the ground, and she's laying by guarding it. Hey, Beauty.
Good boy, buddy.
Hurley, where'd you go? There you are.
Good balls.
Get the ball. Go get it.
Right behind you.
Go get it.
Okay, buddy, you gotta get all three. Come on, Hurley.
Go get it.
Go get him. Go get him, Hurley. I'm not gonna go get him. Go get it. Go get it, Hurley.
He's afraid to jump in.
Come on. Come on, Hurley. Hurley.
You like Buddy.
Hurley, over here. Hurley. Hurley. Come on. Over here.
Right here. Hurley. Right here. Right here. Yeah.
Come on, Hurley. Go.
Poor Hurley.
Hurley.
Over here, Hurley.
Right there. There you go.
Good boy.
Go
Come
away.
on, Hurley.
Come on.
Go get the ball. Go get it. Go get the ball.
Yeah, go get it.
Good boy, Hurley.
No.
Up you drop it, buddy. Good boy, Hurley.